Hello, my name is Grace Flaman and I'm a summer research assistant in the Burgess group at the U of S. My project is the development of an IR transparent microfluidic device compatible with droplet interface bilayer formation. So what's really cool about droplet interface bilayers, or DIBs, is that they can be used to mimic transport mechanisms which occur in maybe human cells, which are essential for drug design research studies. So in microfluidics, we can really manipulate and control what's going into the cell as well as what happens within the microfluidic device. And we can do this with really low amounts of fluid, which could be very expensive if we have, say, lipids within the cell. So this project really adapts a device which is already workable in UV-Vis to be readable within IR. So we will take a PDMS device provided by our collaborators from the University of Victoria, and we'll bond this to an IRE suitable for ATR spectroscopy, such as this micro grooved wafer from my Burgess. So as preliminary research, I've plasma bonded this PDMS device to just a silicon chip at the c.l.s lab. And successfully created and imaged some DIB formation within a device. So the next steps of this project are to take these PDMS devices and now bond them directly to this more expensive microgrooved wafer, and then take that to the mid-IR beamline and image the aqueous and organic phases within the channels. So some of the challenges that came out of this summer were that the DIB formation and positioning is a little bit difficult, and the DIBs don't last as long as they need to for our planned measurements at the mid-IR. Another challenge is that the humidity in the c.l.s lab really affects how well this plasma bonding is done. And once we move to bond the PDMS to these microgrooved wafers, we really need to be careful as to where the positioning of this image spot of interest is in relation to readable locations on this chip. So really main takeaways from this summer are that asking questions is never a bad thing, and really using other people as a resource is really important. So collaborating with others, communicating your ideas, and really being prepared are really big things, especially when using a big facility like the Canadian Light Source. So with that, I'd like to thank you for listening and invite you to take a closer look at my poster. Bye-bye.